the world has felt too loud lately, this is your moment to return to your breath, to your body, to your peace. Welcome to this sacred space, just for you. Let this be a pause, not an escape, but a return to who you truly are. Find a comfortable seat. Let your spine rise like a mountain. Relax your shoulders. Close your eyes gently and begin to listen. Not with your ears, but with your breath. Take a deep breath in and let it go. Inhale and feel yourself arrive. Exhale and release everything that doesn't belong here. Set an intention. Maybe it's calm, maybe it's clarity. Hold it softly in your heart like a candle flame. Now bring your awareness to your breath, the quiet rhythm that's been guiding you all along. No need to change it, just notice. Inhale. Peace. Exhale. Tension. Inhale. Light. Exhale. Wait. Let your breath move like the ocean. Steady, cleansing, infinite. Bring your hands together at your heart. Press your palms gently. As you inhale, imagine energy rising from the earth into your body. As you exhale, feel that energy expand outward, lighting up every cell, every breath, every shadow. Again, inhale, rise, exhale, radiate. Let this be your practice. Breath as movement, breath as healing, breath as truth. Now gently scan your body, from the crown of your head to the soles of your feet. Where is the tightness? Where are you holding on? Inhale and soften that place. Exhale and let it go. Feel your shoulders drop. Feel your hands open. Feel your legs become roots, anchoring you back into yourself. Now repeat silently. I am calm. I am present. I am whole. Again. I am calm. I am present. I am whole. Let each word echo through your being. If the mind wanders, let it wander and return softly. Now for the next few breaths, we sit in stillness. Pause for music or soft ambient space. You've returned. You've remembered. This peace was always within you. When you're ready, take a deep breath in. Wiggle your fingers. Open your eyes. And carry this stillness with you into the world that waits.